Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I'm Jaswinder, aka Shak. And this is my friend Gabbar Singh. Gabbar Singh is actually a tiger shark, which is why he have stripes here. But tiger sharks, when they grow older and become adult, the stripes become a bit more faded and it doesn't look like stripes anymore. So that's about tiger sharks. Okay, but this time I am bringing a series, episodes by episodes, on for beginners, for people who are trying to keep hair and trying to learn how to tie turban. Just a simple basic turban, simple a way to tie jura for kids, for beginners, or parents who are starting to keep hair for their kids. So this series will be very helpful. So welcome to the episode 3 of the series. So in this episode I'll be teaching you guys how to tie your beard and also how to gel your beard. So now many people use spray and many other things, but I prefer gel. And since my beard is soft, so I don't need, you know, spray. The spray is quite strong, so I don't need that. I use this gel. Um, okay, Brill cream. Um, this color. There's few colors, right? So this is wait, let me remove the sticker. 24/7. I don't know if you can see 24/7 mega hold, right? So this is one of the gel that I see many guys using, and it's very we just need to apply very little of this. So, and it's not that holding your beard so tightly that you cannot even move your mouth when you're eating. So it's just very simple, just to make your beard come closer to your face and looks neat. That's it. It's not very tight, it's not very like shiny, you know, when some people put too much and then it becomes very shiny, bling bling. So the first step is what I do. I only can say on my point of view, because people have different facial hair, so we are not sure about how people are doing their things. So what I do is first I make my beard wet, a bit wet, okay, because this way is suitable for my beard, okay. So you can try. If it doesn't suit you, then maybe you need to change and see what you can do about it lah. So I have already made my beard wet. You see, it's not that wet, but and also my beard settles down very easily, even just with water. So different people have different facial hair, so this is how my technique, okay. So not so wet, okay, just to make it settle down, a bit wet. So very little of this, okay. You spread it all the way, everywhere, okay. Then a bit more for the other side. See, simple as that. So now I'll tie my beard. So I use this kind of rubber band to tie my beard. You see, this black rubber band. So it's very easy, okay. Just pull your beard, okay, not too tight also, just relax. First we spin all the way down, then we do like that. Just a simple this one, spin it around it. Okay, then we're going to use this rubber band. Not too tight. Okay. Okay, we tuck it in. Once we make the like some kind of jura at here, then we tuck it in, and then we have it like this. So for some, their mustache may be too long. Okay, so you want to gel your mustache. I advise you to use very little of this, very little. But again, it depends on how thick your beard is. Maybe you need to put a bit more. Maybe you need to use something else. I'm not sure. Okay, everybody have different facial hair, right? So I use very little of this, and also these chemicals are not very good for our skin. So at the end of the day, the lesser you use, the better it's for your beard and your mustache. So I also sometimes need a bit of gel at here. Okay, below my lips. Okay, this next step is very important. Right now we have settled our beard and mustache, right? So this next step is important. For me it's important. I'm not sure how other guys do their beard. So once we set everything, okay, I have this handkerchief. Just gonna wrap it around. So usually I wrap it around for like 1 minute. 1 minute should be enough lah for me. So once I open the scarf, my beard stays. Okay, it stays in this position. It's not soft anymore. It's already dry. The gel is sticking, and it's just nice. And this scarf really makes difference to me. Okay, I need to do that for at least 2 minutes or maybe 1 minute. When I'm getting ready, I'm carrying my things in the house, preparing to leave. By the time I open the door to leave, it's already like 1 minute plus, 2 minutes. So my beard already settled down. I just need to open the scarf and then I can leave. So by having that scarf tied on, it makes the beard shape stays. Okay, so like after I gel, if I don't use the scarf, the shape will start to, the beard will start to move around, and it will become wavy, right? I hope you guys found this video very useful, and see you guys in my next videos. Till then, this is the shark keeping you sharp. Grrr.